Give the n-term formula of the arithmetic sequence 2, 9, 16, 23. Let's answer this in this new learn video. Hello everyone, welcome to my class, and in this video we are going to find the end formula of a certain arithmetic sequence. The end formula is also called explicit formula of an arithmetic sequence. It is used to create or generate a certain arithmetic sequence. And the explicit formula is in the form a sub n is equals to d n plus c, where d is the common difference and c is the constant. So now you have already know the format of an explicit formula or the n-term formula of a certain arithmetic sequence. Let's try to solve this problem. But before that, we need to recall the formula for arithmetic sequence, and that is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. And in the problem, we are looking for the nth term, which means that we are not going to replace n here and also here. So that will be the same, since our format of the final answer is a sub n is equals to d n plus c. We are just going to look for d and the value of c. So now let's go back to our solution. So first we have the given. Again, as I have mentioned, we're not going to look for the value of n because it will be present in our final answer. So we are just going to look for a sub 1 and the common difference. So our a sub 1 from the given sequence is 2. Our common difference, the number that we add to get the next term, is 7. To solve, we need to get two consecutive terms and subtract them. So for example, we are going to get 2 and 9, two consecutive terms. So 2 will be the first term and 9 will be the second term. So 9, we should write it first, minus the first term, minus 2 is equals to 7. It's always the second term will be written first minus the first term. Okay, so our common difference here is 7. That's the number we add to get the next term. Okay, so now let's substitute. Let us copy those items or letters which are not affected. So an is equals to a sub 1 is 2 plus our quantity n minus 1 times the common difference, that is 7. And next thing to do is to, as I've said, PEMDAS, since we cannot execute n minus 1, then let's go to multiplication. So let's copy a sub n is equals to 2 plus 7 times n, that is 7, and 7 times negative 1, that is negative 7. And the next thing we do is to follow this format. So we have a sub n, then dn, we're in, we have 7n, that's positive, so that's positive. It does not cross the equal sign, so it will be positive still, it doesn't change. Okay, next is 2 is positive, plus 2 minus 7. Since we have two the same numbers having no variables, then we can perform the operation between them. Let us copy those unaffected. A sub n is equals to 7n. 2 minus 7. So that is negative 5. So our nth term for the arithmetic sequence 2, 9, 16, 23 is a sub n is equals to 7n minus 5. See, the format is the same. Okay, so our nth term formula or our explicit formula for this sequence. I hope this video have helped you. And if you have any question, just comment down below. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.